Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This video, I'm going to be trying a mobile designing app so you can design thumbnails in this, and I thought it would be fun to do it because I have doubts on mobile designing, so we'll see what it's really capable of today. I have not used this app before. This is called YouTube Thumbnail Maker, I believe, and it looks pretty interesting, so let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start by going to Thumbnail Maker. So here we have a bunch of options like changing like the split. Okay, so the split. I made a tutorial on that. Check it out if you haven't already. I'm going to just go with the regular one and add a picture. Okay, I went with this picture. I think it looks nice. And I'm just going to go to the text now. Let's type here. Oh, okay. I'll just do mobile. Wait, no. I'll just do Cambit Classic. So we got Cambit. Looks like there's only 3 font choices. I'm just gonna go with the regular one. We could change the font. Oof. These are not good. No way. I don't like any of these. Oh, this one's... Oh, never mind. Okay, we could change the color inside. We can make it gradient. I don't want gradient, so how do I get rid of that? I'll just do white. Ooh. Okay, now I'm gonna add a stroke. Well, there's a red one. I don't want that. I want like a yellow one. Make that big. No, I don't want blur. Looks pretty good. Let's go over here. What is this? Drop shadow. Okay. Just make that 90 degrees, because you know that's what we gotta do. 90. No, it's 91. 9. No. No. Okay, I'm just gonna. You know what? 91's fine too. I'll deal with it. Change the what is it called? The drop shadow to the same color. There we go. It's kind of coming along. I gotta be honest. What is this? Not really too sure about that. Oh, that's nasty. Nope, get rid of that. Okay, centered. And I think we're done here, so let's move on. Alright, so we got some stickers. So we'll put YouTube, because I'm on YouTube, down here. And we'll get 4K, because this is not even 4K, but it's clickbait. 10 million plus views, of course. And WTF, because that's what I'm thinking right now. And let me just remove those. That's no. Oh gosh, I'm drawing on it. Oh crap. Help. Yeah, those are ugly. We're just gonna delete these and see what else we got. Artistic. Okay. Fresh. That's not bad. I like the regular one though. Food, landscape, movie. Oh, those are all paid. Okay, so you have to pay for everything. That's nice. What is this? Contrast? No, leave that at 0. And we can add shapes for some reason. Oh, okay, this could actually look good. Let me see. It's lagging, okay. Hey, look at that. Now that's what I call thumbnail. That's ugly, actually. Oh well. I'll just... Wait, can I change some stuff about it, at least? Oh, I can. There we go. It's not that bad. I mean, it's not great, but it'll do. And I think I'm done. I think that's all I can do. Okay, so let me just check mark. Oh, nice, an ad. Okay, so, I mean, it's okay. I mean, if you don't have a computer, I guess you can use something like this, but you kind of got to pay for all the cool stuff, so that's not cool. But, I mean, I made a decent thumbnail. I mean, it looks okay, right? Leave it in the comments down below if you guys think this looks okay. I think it looks pretty trash, but oh well. never doing this again unless you guys want me to. I can try reviewing some other mobile, whatever this is, designing apps. I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.